Yeah, if you've ever played any card game, you will know that there's a card, the Joker, that is almost like a get out of jail free card. Now, the next priority that I want to discuss is like the Joker. That is fire. Fire is extremely important because fire helps you to achieve most of your other priorities. Like for instance, the water purification. You can boil water and get that purified. The shelter element, where you can actually help get yourself warm in a cold situation. You need fire to prepare your food. You need fire for first aid, to clean stuff and to make sure stuff is right. And then you also get it for signaling, and then also for safety and security. You always need fire to help you in achieving all your priorities. So fire is definitely like the Joker of a pack of cards. It can definitely help you a lot and can actually achieve a lot of your priorities. So having the ability to make a fire, and the skills obviously, is very important. So fire and making a fire and maintaining a fire is definitely one of the priorities that you definitely have to have sorted out.